First thing we need to do is add our payment gateway. So we're talking about adding Stripe or PayPal or what, so that we can handle credit card processing or PayPal payments. And to do that, let's go ahead and start off with Stripe. So to set up a Stripe account, let's do this. Let's go to our account and go to Payment Gateways. And we're going to add a new payment gateway. Select Stripe and create a Stripe account. So, ClickFunnels, as you can see, makes it super easy to integrate with Stripe. And we'll give it a name. And we'll click on Create Stripe Account. Next, we're going to connect with Stripe. On this page, if you don't have a Stripe account, you can go ahead and create a new one. If you already have an existing account, just go ahead and sign in by clicking up here. And just go ahead and if your account is a new account like this test one here, just go ahead and fill out the rest of the information. And there you have it. We've successfully integrated Stripe billing. So let's get started.